Once you've created a call to action and you hit the launch button, you'll be instructed to install the ConvertFlow code. You'll want to place this between the head tags of your website. You could also find this in your website dashboard by clicking Settings and then Install Code, and then copying the code from the box. This code is the ConvertFlow tracking snippet. Each website dashboard you manage in ConvertFlow has its own unique tracking code that needs to be placed on your website. Once it's installed, it will automatically track your website visitors' activity, launch your pop-up CTAs, and it'll also identify contacts on your website to track their activities as well by looking for form field submissions, whether they're submitting ConvertFlow forms or just custom HTML forms on your website. Installing the ConvertFlow snippet is a little bit different for each website content management system you use. In this short video, I'll cover placing ConvertFlow in the top website CMSs. If your CMS isn't covered, you'll probably find similar code placement controls that you could use too. WordPress is the most popular website CMS, so chances are you'll be integrating ConvertFlow with WordPress. Adding ConvertFlow to WordPress is very easy. Just head to the plugins area of your WordPress site, search for the head and footer code plugin, install it, and then activate it. Then in your WordPress navigation, click the settings link and then the head and footer code link. With your ConvertFlow tracking snippet copied, paste it in the head code field and then click save. ConvertFlow will now start tracking website visitors and your CTAs can now be displayed. The next most popular website CMS is Shopify, which is used by all kinds of e-commerce stores. To add ConvertFlow to Shopify, click the online store link in the admin navigation and then click Themes. For your current theme, click the Actions button and then click Edit Code. Here you'll be able to click on the theme.liquid file, scroll through the HTML code, and then paste the ConvertFlow tracking snippet before the closing head tag, which is followed by the opening body tag. Another commonly used tool is Google Tag Manager, which is this handy free tool made by Google that you could use to consolidate all of your website's marketing, tracking, and advertising scripts into one snippet that you place on your site and manage them all from an interface that's made for marketing teams. To add ConvertFlow to Google Tag Manager, click New, name the tag ConvertFlow, choose the custom HTML tag type, paste the snippet code within the HTML field. Make sure that your trigger options for the tag are set to once per page and the script fires on all pages, and then click Save. Once you're done, make sure to click the Publish button in Google Tag Manager so that way your changes actually do take effect. Once you've got the ConvertFlow tracking snippet installed, the next piece of code you may end up needing to install is the embed codes for your embedded CTAs. You could copy and paste a direct embed code, or you could streamline your workflow using ConvertFlow's area snippets. While using the direct embed code works fine when you're adding a CTA that you want to display to every visitor seeing a specific page, it isn't exactly a scalable workflow for displaying CTAs on a website across many pages and many different areas. Area snippets makes it a breeze to display embedded CTAs at the right place and time without having to revisit your website code over and over. Just like how you can with pop-ups, all you'll need to do is just manage the targeting settings for your embedded CTAs within the ConvertFlow dashboard. Area snippets can be installed in predefined parts of your website, such as your sidebar, your homepage's footer, or the bottom of your blog posts. When launching an embedded CTA, you have the option to select the areas you want it to display in, and the ability to add targeting conditions to control who sees it and on what pages it displays. You could also find and manage your website's areas by heading to Settings, and then Install Code, and then scrolling down. Quick recap. Each website you manage has a unique tracking snippet, and you need to place this on each website you want to be able to display pop-ups and CTAs. Embedding calls to action is quick if you use the direct embed code, however, everyone's going to see them. For a better workflow and more targeting control, you could place area snippets in predefined parts of your website and start conditionally showing embedded CTAs to visitors based on the pages they're visiting, what contact segments they're in, and more, helping you better personalize your website content for every visitor. And that's how to install ConvertFlow on your website.